party!
Ahoy!
Yeah, today we are back with another craft. We are going to be learning how to make a lovely sailor's hat.
Oh.
Not quite as nice as my captain's hat, but it depends how you decorate it. So we will show you, we've got normal A4 paper, we've got colored paper or card, and we have A3 for people with big heads.
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone take your paper or card, fold it in half.
Done.
Good. Then fold it in half again. Easy.
Then fold it in half again.
No.
Ah, okay.
Then open it back, so it's only the first half that was folded. Take a corner and pull it down to the line from the fold.
The open side or the closed side?
From this
side?
side,
Okay.
yeah.
Ah,
But
from this side.
the corner side. But don't take it to the bottom. Take it just a little bit above the bottom. And do the same on the other side. It's quite difficult to do with card. So, you know, a bit like that. Good, excellent. Then take the bottom open part and fold it up so it meets with the card. And the same on the other side. Fold that part.
Flip it.
Yeah, flip it. Then everyone should have a sailor's hat.
Oh, that's so
You
easy.
need to open it.
Oh, you have to open.
it.
Ah.
And then you can put it on. While that
Like so,
on your
check it.
head.
Or you can
On the
Hey.
Hey, very good. And kids can decorate it if they want to. They can draw, they can put glitter, anything they want. And now they are ready to set sail.
Nice. Ahoy!
Ahoy is hello.
It's what?
Oh, hello.
Ah.
Maybe we should do bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Voyage.
So fashion trendy.
Yes.
Nice.
Off to the side.
Safe trip, everyone. Bye.